Pull! Oh! Ooh! Yeah! Woohoo!
Pliers are type of hand tools used to hold objects firmly and are also designed for bending, cutting, and manipulating various objects. They typically consist of a pair of hinged jaws, with handles at one and the jaws at the other. The jaws of pliers can come in various shapes and sizes depending on the specific task they are designed for. Pliers are commonly made of the steel or other durable materials and are used in a wide range of industries and applications, including electrical work, automotive repair, constructions, crafting, and more.
Uses of pliers.
Hello everyone, so now let's proceed to the second example of hand tool, which is the Phillips screwdriver. The Phillips screwdriver is mostly used in the automotive industry and it has cross and egg shape at the tip. This kind of tool is used to turn screws with more torque to achieve the desired fit and less prone to slippage. That's all.